Hi everybody, Andrea with Camille's Crown Closet. Today we're unboxing a new style from Belle Tress from their Luxe SE collection called Everdeen in Butterbeer-R. Stay tuned. On my head is Marie, also from the Luxe SE collection, of course by Belle Tress in Butterbeer-R. I know I'm not much for change, but I really like the Belle Tress blondes. But we'll go ahead and we'll unbox Everdeen. I'm really excited about this one. In the stock photos, at least, she resembles like a Kelly from the Icons collection. And if you all remember Kelly, it's a style that was really popular, still is, because Julie cannot keep them in stock. So hopefully Everdeen does not disappoint. Here she is in the box. She does not have tissue paper in the box, so just so you're aware, if you get Everdeen, there is no tissue paper. And I'm going to go ahead and pause this. She's in here pretty good with the bobby pins, so be right back. Okay, I'm back. Got her out of the box. She has this little tiny loop here that is fastened to the bobby pin in the box, and I had a little bit of a struggle with it. But, I struggle with a lot of things, including the netting, which I actually got off pretty easy this time. So let's take a look. Again, this is from the Belle Tress Luxe SE collection. So she does have that full mono top with the lace front that extends around the ear tabs. It has the polyurethane ear tabs, the extended felt or velvet nape, and then the Velcro adjusters. The ears tabs do have the metal stays in them. So here she is, and yes, she is giving me some Kelly vibes. I actually might pull Kelly out. I have Kelly and Milkshake. I think when I come back and have her on my head, I'm going to do a little comparison for you. This looks like it has maybe the waves are a little bit looser, but definitely giving me some Kelly vibes. If you're familiar with Belle Tress, they have, they're all heat-friendly fibers. Super soft. I think they wear pretty well. Usually don't require a whole lot of maintenance, but I do find that once you put heat on them, you typically have to do that pretty frequently. But absolutely love Belle Tress, and Everdeen looks pretty nice. So let's go ahead and put her on, and we'll take a look at how she looks right out of the box. Actually, before we put her on, I pulled Kelly out of my closet. Kelly is from the Icons collection, so the cap is pretty similar, but the ear tabs, the fabric's a little bit different. On Icons, the stitching's kind of small, so you can remove that like polyurethane cover. And Icons does have a double monofilament top, and the hand-tied portion on the top, the knots are a little bit darker. So if that bothers you about the Icons collection, then you'll really like the Luxe SE. So let me hold them both up here so you can take a look. So I have Kelly in Milkshake Blonde R. She is in my right hand. Here is Kelly. And Kelly is not new out of the box. I've actually worn Kelly quite a bit. And I have not even washed Kelly, so nothing has been done to Kelly, but I've worn her. She's been combed quite a few times, so the curls are probably a little bit looser. And then here is Everdeen. Everdeen right out of the box in Butterbeer-R. So you can see the styles are very similar, and the colors are actually pretty similar too. So Butterbeer Blonde R, or Butterbeer-R, sorry, let me get this right, Butterbeer-R, because Butterbeer Blonde is a different color. So this is Butterbeer-R here and Everdeen on the left, and then this is Kelly in Milkshake Blonde R on my right, and Kelly is from the Icons collection. So we'll go ahead now and put Everdeen on. Can't wait to see how she looks. Stay tuned. So here's Everdeen from the Belle Tress Luxe SE collection in Butterbeer-R right out of the box, and she does remind me of Kelly for sure. I think maybe only some really slight variations. Again, this is right out of the box. I've done nothing to her. She does come with a left part, and in the camera, just looking, I don't think this has the zigzag part in it. So I'll verify that once I get to playing with it, but it does not look like it has a zigzag part to me. So this is right out of the box, right from the factory. So yours probably will not have one either if you order one. Again, Belle Tress does a really nice lace front. To me, it's undetectable, and it does go around the ear tabs, so you can wear this style away from your face like I frequently do. If you're new to Belle Tress or new to wigs, Belle Tress typically does fit pretty true to average. I'm about a 21.5-inch circumference, so just on the smaller side of average. These caps fit me really well without making any adjustments at all. So we will go ahead and probably shake her out, play with it a little bit, and then I'll come back and tell you what I did and show you what she looks like. Stay tuned. And we're back. I really didn't do anything to Everdeen. She does have a little bit of a zigzag part. It's not real prominent, but there is a zigzag part there. The only thing that I did was I shook this up a little bit, grabbed it by the nape and held it upside down and shook it just to get the fibers off the cap a little bit. Did some very light combing. I didn't even break up the zigzag part because I have a ton of wigs. I'm overstocked in business, and I'm also overstocked with my personal inventory. And I have another Kelly on hand, so I'm not going to be keeping Everdeen. You'll find her in our open box section here shortly. I'll take some pictures and get her posted. But really cute, really pretty. Again, she reminds me so much of Kelly. I will hold up Kelly again so you can take a look. Very similar wave pattern. Really pretty style. Belle Tress knocks it out of the park. Again, you can't beat the lace fronts here. I think I don't have her pulled. I think she's back a little too far on my head too. You can see my big forehead. Really nice lace front. Beautiful style. Again, Belle Tress Everdeen in Butterbeer-R. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to check us out. I do try to keep these videos short, sweet, and to the point, so you can come and see what you came for, and then go on about your day. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Visit us at Camille'sCrownCloset.com. Check out our Hot Buys section. That's where you will find all of our in-stock inventory, ready to ship, super fast shipping, and discounted prices. Thank you.